Hello color kids, welcome to your favorite channel.
Today we discover birds: parrot, sparrow, eagle and pigeon. This is Parrot. Parrot is colorful. Parrot is flying in the sky. This is Sparrow. Sparrow is cheerful. Sparrow is flying in the sky. This is eagle. Eagle is colorful. Eagle is flying in the sky. This is Pigeon. Pigeon is colorful. Pigeon is flying in the sky.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.